Do you use HubSpot and want to take your customer communication to the next level? Imagine being able to send SMS messages and voice calls directly from your workflows. With 360 NRS by Link Mobility, that's now possible. Connect with your leads right where they are, on their mobile phones. Whether through an SMS or a personalized call, you'll have a direct and effective way to capture their attention instantly. Businesses around the world already trust our solutions to improve their conversion rates, increase clicks, and save time thanks to automation. With a 98% open rate and an unbeatable delivery rate, there's no better way to interact with your contact base than through SMS. On the other hand, voice calls remain one of the closest and most human ways to communicate. Ideal for connecting with seniors or visually impaired individuals. With our HubSpot integration, you can automate sending SMS and calls from your workflows, without leaving the environment you already use every day. Everything is designed to help you create more personalized and effective experiences at every stage of the sales funnel. The 360 NRS application allows sales, marketing, and support teams to communicate with their customers directly from HubSpot in different ways. Sending SMS and making calls from the CRM extension. Automating SMS and call delivery in workflows. Enhancing customer experience with interactive voice calls. With this application, you can track your leads through SMS or interactive voice calls. Inform your customers about the status of their requests or incidents using scheduled messages or calls. Send appointment, payment, or service renewal reminders via SMS or voice calls. Use interactive voice calls to qualify your leads. Launch promotions via SMS or calls to increase conversion, and much more. How to install the application. To install the app, you just need a 360 NRS account with your validated tax profile. Go to 360nrs.com, register, and complete your tax profile. Then go to the Integrations tab, choose HubSpot, and click the Connect button. Now log into HubSpot, choose the account you want to connect it to, accept the permissions, and you're all set. The 360 NRS app will be connected. Haven't connected 360 NRS with HubSpot yet? Here's why you should do it today. With this integration, you'll be able to manage your SMS and voice call campaigns directly from HubSpot, simply, quickly, and super effectively. Easy to configure. You don't need technical knowledge. Just connect your HubSpot account from our online platform and you'll be ready to start in minutes. Direct messaging and voice routes. Your messages and calls will always arrive with the best quality, both nationally and internationally. No setup costs or commitments. Start for free without contracts, without hidden conditions. Pay only for what you use with the flexibility your business needs. Specialized support always available. Our team is with you 24/7 to help you with whatever you need, from technical questions to usage strategies. Automate your workflows. Configure workflows in HubSpot to send messages and calls automatically. Save time, improve follow-up, and convert more. International coverage. Connect with your customers no matter what country they are in. Check all available destinations for your communications. Security in your communications. 360 NRS holds ISO 27001 certification, guaranteeing maximum security and data encryption on our platform. What are you waiting for? Take the next step. Register at 360nrs.com. Connect your HubSpot account and start seeing results from day one.